Is the Apple Watch Ultra worth the extra $400? Apple's late 2022 product lineup includes a healthy helping of AirPods, iPhones, and 3 new Apple Watches. The latter now features a flagship Apple Watch Ultra model alongside the Apple Watch Series 8. But if you're in the market for a new Apple Watch, which should you consider buying? You'll need a fine-tooth comb to find the differences between the Series 8 and its direct predecessor, the Watch Series 7. Effectively, the two watches share the same chassis, screen, and case sizes. You're still getting the digital crown mounted on the top right corner, a rounded-off face housing an OLED display and aluminum or stainless steel construction. Dial sizes include 41mm for smaller wrists and 45mm for slightly larger arms. The Apple Watch Series 8 is effectively a Series 7 with some marked differences beneath its exterior. The same can't be said for the Apple Watch Ultra. This model features an all-new titanium design that's now the most distinct in the Apple Watch range. The most noticeable difference is the massive 49mm sapphire lens that houses a flat screen. This reportedly makes it easier for active users to select and glance at items on display. The other large differentiator is the hump the digital crown is housed in. This protrusion protects the crown from knocks and makes the power button a little easier to feel out even while wearing gloves. Keeping with buttons for a moment, the Apple Watch Ultra also brings a third orange pusher to the device. The action button allows users to switch between workout modes or mark segments during those workouts. The Series 8 does not feature this button. Some will love these aesthetic changes and the more rugged look it gives the Ultra. Others will hate it for ruining the Apple Watch's otherwise sleek design. In terms of practicality, the much larger dial makes the Ultra less attractive to those who want a smaller, compact wearable. For these users, the Series 8 is a more sensible bet. The Apple Watch Series 8 may look similar to its predecessor but brings some notable changes under the hood. This mainly includes the new Apple S8 chipset and a new body temperature sensor, which allows for more accurate cycle tracking for those who menstruate. In the past, we've seen body temperature tracking debut on Fitbit and Samsung watches, so it's great that Apple is finally joining the party. This sensor will also record temperature fluctuations of users during sleep, which may provide insight into the general well-being of the wearer. The Series 8 also brings car crash detection, a first for the Apple Watch. This will dial emergency services and send the user's location after a brief countdown. Other features are brought over from the Series 7, including the ECG, the SIFGO2 monitor, a heart rate sensor, fall detection capabilities, and sleep tracking. If you buy the Apple Watch Ultra, you get all these new features and a little more. For starters, LTE cellular data support is standard across all Ultra models. The Ultra also lands with a bigger battery for an estimated 36 hours of juice per charge, more than any Apple Watch before it. Low power mode can stretch this out for an additional 24 hours, making this model the best option for those who want a longer-lasting wearable. Notably, both features are meant to entice hardcore athletes, rock climbers, hikers, and others of this ilk, which should appeal to everyone. For swimmers and divers, the Apple Watch Ultra packs a depth gauge that can provide real-time water pressure measurements up to 40 meters. The device is water-resistant at depths of up to 100 meters and IP6X dust-resistant too. The Series 8 settles for a 50-meter rating. Several apps are on board to take advantage of the Ultra's love for deep water too, including a dedicated diving app that displays water temperature, underwater time, and more. And if you get lost, the Ultra also features a dual speaker that doubles as an alert siren. According to Apple, that others can hear from 180 meters away, ensuring you don't get lost in a new dual-band GPS utilizing L1 and L5 frequency bands. This should give the Apple Watch Ultra GPS accuracy akin to Garmin's sports watches. Like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the Ultra also includes backtrack functionality that helps users return to a previous waypoint. So which Apple Watch should you buy this time around? The answer depends on what you demand from your watch and how much you have to spend. The Apple Watch Series 8 is best for iOS users looking for a reliable smartwatch. The Ultra is for adventurers happy to lug around a larger, pricier upgrade. Realistically, the Apple Watch Series 8 should suit most iOS users looking for a great smartwatch with broad app support, a reliable health tracking kit, and compatibility with Apple's ecosystem of products and services. The new temperature sensor makes the Apple Watch Series 8 a great choice for those keen on more accurate menstrual cycle monitoring too. If you're an athlete wanting more or are still not impressed by the Series 8's standard 18 hours of battery life, the Ultra may appeal to you a bit more. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share your favorite one in the comment section. See you for the next time.